In today's competitive market, small business need an effective digital marketing strategy to thrive. Builderall, an all-in-one digital marketing platform, provides the necessary tools to help small business grow online efficiently and affordably. Why choose Builderall? Builderall offers a comprehensive suite of digital marketing tools, including website builders, email marketing, sales funnels, automation, and more. Its affordability and ease of use make it an excellent choice for small business looking to establish or expand their online presence. Key features for small business. 1. Website and Funnel Builder creates stunning, mobile-friendly websites and sales funnels without coding. 2. Email marketing automation engage customers with automated email sequences and follow-ups. 3. E-commerce solutions sell products and services online with integrated payment gateways. 4. Social media and chatbots connect with customers through automated chatbots and social media integration. 5. SEO and analytics optimize content for search engines and track website performance. How to get started. 1. Sign up. Choose a Builderall plan that suits your business needs. 2. Build your online presence. Create a website, set up an email list, and design sales funnels. 3. Automate and optimize. Use automation tools to engage customers and track performance. 4. Expand and grow. Implement marketing strategies like paid ads, content marketing, and SEO to scale your business. Conclusion. Builderall empowers small business with affordable and easy-to-use digital marketing tools. By leveraging its features, entrepreneurs can effectively grow their online presence, generate leads, and increase sales. Get started today and take your small business to new heights with Builderall.